Today I'm going to be taking a look at this utility cart that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box, see everything it comes with, get it all put together, and then try it out. And these are all the parts that were in the box. You got your top and your bottom, your handle, your legs. It's got these accessory hooks, your ball bearing casters down there, everything to put it together. So yeah, everything I need to put it together is here. I'm going to get doing it. And here it is all put together. Really easy to put together. Has some cool features on this thing. It's got these little hooks here on the side where you can hook things on it. You could hang extension cords on it. You could even put like longer items on it because there's one here and one here. You could put a pipe here in the middle and make something that like holds electrical wire or whatever, you know, spools. On this side, you've got some square pegs, like pegboard over here. You can hang stuff. Got the handle with the utility little holes here, cup holder. It can handle up to 550 pounds total weight. Pretty much will do anything around my shop. It's also got this little bar over here. You can hang like a towel on it, something like that, something to wipe your hands on. It has two stationary casters down here. This one, they stay straight. These will swivel 360 degrees and they have locks on them. And they roll really easy. If I just take that lock off right there, this cart would just start rolling on the concrete. Really nice cart. I know I'm gonna be using it. I definitely think you'll like it. And I hope all this information is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.